I'm adding a new super to this 2-layer hive. I got 2 supers and I'm going to add another one. These bees are nice and active and they're doing good. This hive is pretty full. I'm not going to take these frames out to look at them. I'm just going to add the super and then I'm going to leave these bees alone. They sure are beautiful. Some beautiful Texas bees right there. Okay, ladies, let me get that new super on there for you. There you go. Home sweet home. That's a little warped. Oops. Let me close that.